Sardine Sambal by VJmade. This is a quick and easy dish that you can make within 15 minutes, and you can have a nice and warm dish on your table when you're running short of time. So let's see how it's done. You'll need 1 can of sardines in tomato sauce, 1 large onion sliced, half an inch ginger thinly sliced, 4 garlic pips smashed, some belacan, 1 medium-sized potato skinned and cubed, 1 large tomato sliced, 1 green chili split, 2 chili padi, this is optional, salt, water and cooking oil. Heat up the oil. When it's hot, place in your cubed potatoes and fry them till they're nice and golden. Remove and set it aside. To the same oil, add your sliced ginger and garlic and fry till nice and fragrant, and then add in your sliced onions and fry till the onions wilt. Now I usually add half of my salt at this moment because it helps with the wilting of the onions and browning. Then add your green chili, stir, add your chili padi, which is optional. Then add your belacan. Now it's important that you smash the belacan into the oil, otherwise you'll have clumps of belacan when you eat it. If you don't have belacan, you can always use Thai fish sauce. Now add in your sliced tomatoes. Cook tomatoes until they are soft. Once the tomatoes are soft, you can add in your canned sardines. Empty everything into the pot. Now my mother used to take each fish out, cut it into half and clean up all the bones and whatever that's inside. I like it whole. So now let it simmer for a minute or 2. Then add in half a can of water and let it cook further. Now you add in your fried potatoes and the balanced salt. Let it stew slowly. You will see the gravy will start to thicken up and a silky and aromatic stew will start to form. Just keep slowly stirring so that the bottom doesn't burn. Then turn off the fire. And voila! 15 minutes and a delicious dish is now ready. I usually add some limau kasturi on the side, or even lime is fine. Have it with nice hot rice and enjoy this yummy and simple dish with your family. You can have it with bread, you can have it with rice, you can even have it with dosa. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. This recipe is brought to you by
Hearty Meals Home Cooked.
VJmade!